Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 5-spoke wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, an espresso brown ambitext interior with a brown eucalyptus wood trim, sunroof, trailer hitch, GLE 350, 4MATIC badging, power liftgate. Clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, lane tracking package with lane keep assist, a blind spot assist, premium 1 package with Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE has 58,073 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.